Aray! Malak malalim. Sakit.
Tabang po ba yan? Tabang? Dagat din? Alat din? Tikman natin kung maalat. Maalat nga! Maalat nga! Hindi pa siya tubig nga
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town. I feel the rain crashing down around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware, keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea.
Ayun, natutuwa ako at nakakita rin ako ng nagpupukot or nangingisda. Ayun guys, ito yung buhay na napakaganda. Simple, tahimik, at hindi na kailangan ng mga mamahaling gadget o mamahaling sasakyan. Masaya na sila sa mga ganyang uri ng pamumuhay, yung makakuha lang ng pang-ulam ng kanilang pamilya, ay sobrang masaya na sila sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Alright guys, kapag nakita nyo na ang kalsadang sira na to, ay siguradong malapit na kayo sa Glory's Grill Resort. Kaya naman mag-ingat, mabato at madulas ang kalsada na to. Alright mga kaibla, ingat.
Stars, got it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring will tell you what I saw. When you break it off you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Alright guys, dito na kami mag-swimming dyan banda sa baba. At tingnan natin papunta sa baba kung gaano kaganda ang view. Glorimar Vista Resort. Ayun, dyan tayo maligo. Dun. Ah, diba maganda yung maganda yung lugar. Masyado matirik ang daan. Ay, dito muna tayo. Dito tayo maliligo. Ayun, masyado mataas oh. Sobrang taas. Ano yung pagkagawa ng lugar na ito? Dahil dito yung ganda. Ang laking resort.
I'm going on.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's untamed.
Ayun, napakaganda dito. Masarap mag-swimming. Kaso low tide. Low tide nga lang, tsaka mabato.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand
Dami nila no.
for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Eh, yung banana boat na yan, doon yan galing doon sa dulo. Tatakot na siguro yung mga yan. Takot na yung mga yan, oh. Sigawan sila.
Savannah.
Kaya yung mayari niyan, doon yan sa resort na yan, oh. Ay, ayun, ang bayad pala sa cottage ay 500 pesos. Ang entrance ay 120 per head. So kung pupunta kayo, alam niyo na yung presyo kung magkano. Pag mula sa Batangas City, ang layo ay siguro mga 20 kilometers. Magmula Batangas City hanggang dito. Siyempre tatagay-tagay muna tayo. Ayan.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone.
Maraming cottage dito kung gusto yung maligo. Ang dami-daming cottage doon, oh. Dati doon kami naligo, yung lugar na yun. Sa... Tapos ayun yung imahe ni Mama Mary. Ayun no, napakalayo. Pero tanaw pa rin dito. Maraming pwedeng liguan dyan. Magmula doon hanggang yan, yung mga resorts yan. Yun, maganda rin yun. May buhangin. Maganda rin maligo doon. So sa susunod doon kami maligo. Ito yung mga cottage. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano ang arkila. Boy, magkano ang arkila ng cottage? Ha? 1.5? 1.5 daw per cottage.
Faded my heart,
At
got
nandiyan
me
yung
going all
seafood.
crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah.
Tabang po ba yan? Tabang? Dagat din? Ha? Alat din? Tikman natin kung maalat. Maalat nga! Maalat nga! Hindi pa siya tubig nga Pinapatuyo to tapos kapag tuyong-tuyo na sa init, sarap nito kainin. Ito mga to ayan sarap to, masarap kainin to. Pag tuyo na siya, binibilad sa araw. Ito naman, ayan mga shellfish. Sarap din to. Kaso ito yung medyo mapait-pait. Mapait-pait yung lasa nito. Marami pa sana. Ayan, may mga isda. Yung mga isda. Maliliit. Ayan, daming isda. Ayun mga kaibla, eto na yung pinaka-paborito ko. Ang gusto kong gawin sa buong buhay ko ang mag-relax. Kaya ano pa inaantay nyo? Kung gusto nyo ma-relax, iwanan nyo na yung mga trabaho nyo pansamantala. Once a month, punta na kayo dito sa Glory's Grill Resort. 3 hours ng biyahe mula Maynila hanggang dito sa Batangas. Kung gusto niyo rin magrenta ng van, ay meron kaming kakilala, si Kuya Manoy. Ayun, mag-contact lang kayo sa akin at tatawagan natin si Kuya Manoy. Ang kanyang service ay high ace na van. Kaya naman napakaganda at maluwag ang kanyang sasakyan. So pwede mga 16 katao ang kasya sa sasakyan niya. Kung gusto niyo malaman ang price, kung magkano ang arkila, ay tawagan nyo na ako mga kaibla. Let's do this. Mag-relax na tayo mga kaibla. Ayan, sarap mag-swimming. Siguradong makakalimutan nyo ang inyong mga problema. For sure.
roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.